Special thanks
Avid
to Top Paws
presents
Adriana for the
Teaching
wonderful
Dogs.
photos taken in this video.
Hi, I'm Franz Beckner, and I've been sharing my life with dogs for the past 30 years. In order to teach dogs, we must first understand how dogs learn. When teaching dogs, it's extremely important to remember the ABCs. This is imperative in everything we teach our dogs. A is the antecedent, what happens before the behavior, such as a cue or a signal. In this case, I'm asking for a sit. B, of course, is for the behavior. In this case, the puppy is sitting. C is the consequence of the behavior. In this case, the puppy gets a treat as well as a belly rub. Why do I use positive reinforcement when training my dogs? The relationships I have with my dogs are extremely important. They're built on trust, safety, and mutual respect. This is why I use positive reinforcement. With positive reinforcement, my dogs learn that if they offer something, something good is going to happen. And because something good happens for the dogs, the chances of them repeating behavior becomes much, much higher. Dogs learn best with clear criteria and a positive outlook, so they're willing to try even if they're not getting it the first time. My dog's relationships with me is very important, and at Avid Dogs, we would like to make that same promise to you, creating great relationships between you and your dog with positive reinforcement. Using rewards with training is both rewarding for the dog, but it is also extremely rewarding for the human and the relationship that you will have for a lifetime. Special thanks to Adriana at Top Paws Photos for the wonderful photos she's taken in this video.